Welcome to Lenny's Backyard Update. We're sitting right here on the Isla Mujeres. I don't know if I pronounced that right. We got the family right here. We're chasing hurricanes. So Hurricane Beryl came and hit this little town.
We're not chasing hurricanes.
We are you hush. We're chasing sea turtles and all that. We're watching these safety hazards everywhere we look right now. So stay tuned. We're going to bring you more updates as we explore the island and see what kind of damage that Beryl brought to us
No,
right
we're
there.
not.
All right, everybody.
And there's no
Peace out.
hurricane.